How do I install Make? If you are curious about how to install Make, you are in the right spot. Make is a build automation tool that simplifies the process of compiling and linking programs. It uses a file called a makefile to define how to build and update software projects. This tool is essential in software development, especially when working with multiple source files and dependencies. So, let's get into the details of how you can install Make on different platforms. If you are using a Linux or macOS system, you may be in luck. Most Linux distributions and macOS come with new Make already installed or available through their package managers. For Debian or Ubuntu users, you can open your terminal and run two simple commands. First, type sudo apt-get update to refresh your package list. Then, run sudo apt-get install Make to install it. If you are on Fedora, the command is even simpler. Just type sudo dnf install Make in your terminal, and you will have it installed in no time. For macOS users who prefer using Homebrew, you can install Make by running brew install Make in your terminal. After you install it, you can verify the installation by typing Make to check if it is working correctly. Now, if you are using Windows, the process is a bit different since Make does not come pre-installed. One option is to use GNU Win32. You can download the Make package from their website, but keep in mind that you may need to download some dependencies separately. You will also need to add Make to your system path for it to work properly. Another option for Windows users is to use MSYS2 or Cygwin. These programs provide a Unix-like environment on Windows. After you install either of these, you can install Make using their package managers. For MSYS2, you would run pacman's Make. If you choose Cygwin, you can use the command setup x8660 for pmake during installation. If you want to try something different, you can enable the Windows subsystem for Linux. This allows you to run a Linux environment directly on Windows. Once you have that set up, you can install Make just like you would on a regular Linux system. For those who prefer to build Make from source, you can download the new Make source code from the official new project website. The steps involve downloading and extracting the source archive, running configure to set up the build environment, compiling the program with Make, and finally installing it with Make install. Make sure you have a compiler and the necessary tools installed before you start this process. Make is not just a tool for building software. It plays a vital role in modern development workflows. It automates repetitive tasks like compiling code and linking libraries, which is especially helpful when working with domain-specific languages. By using Make, you can save time and streamline your development process. So, whether you are on Linux, macOS, or Windows, installing Make is straightforward. Just follow the steps for your operating system, and you will be ready to automate your builds in no time.